Hello, welcome to English Zone Rocks, and today's lesson is about the environment, el medio ambiente. Yes, and this book is called What Does Green Mean? Alright, ¿qué significa cuando hablamos de green, go green? This was written by Barbara Webb. Let's enjoy it. We have this table of contents. What does green mean? Eco-friendly choices. Carbon footprints. How many do you live? Ahora van a ver. You can live green. Try this, a glossary and an index. So what does green mean? Everyone talks about living green, but what does green mean actually? Living green means making big and small choices, elecciones, that are gentle on the earth. The color green reminds us, nos recuerda, of a healthy earth filled with growing and living things. Do you like the idea of a healthy earth? ¿Quién no? Who doesn't? So then let's learn how to live green. Eco-friendly choices. Have a look. What can you do with all that? Green choices are eco-friendly and do not harm, no dañan, the earth environment. Environment, el medio ambiente. We make eco-friendly choices when we use less of things, or fewer, menos, such as paper, fuel, and electricity. Acá usa less porque estos son uncountable nouns. Paper, fuel, combustible, electricity. Acá tendríamos paper, fuel, electricity. When we use less, we make less trash, pollute less, and take fewer resources from the earth. Cuando usamos menos, we make less, o sea, producimos menos que la basura. Very good. Pollute less. Yes, contaminamos menos también. And take fewer resources. Y utilizamos menos recursos de la tierra. We make eco-friendly choices when we make things out of materials that the earth can absorb. Porque no todas las cosas las puede absorber la tierra, ¿vieron? Most foam packing material does not break down in the landfill. Scientists are working on growing eco-friendly packing material out of mushroom roots. Ven, some scientists, diría yo, algunos, están estudiando cómo hacer eco-material, so, most foam packing, o sea, cómo, ven, para empaquetar, pero que salga de las raíces de los mushrooms. Cardboard packaging can be recycled, but most plastic packaging sits in a landfill for years, centuries, without breaking down. Ven, esto no se desintegra, entonces tenemos que tener cuidado ahí. Which is the eco-friendly choice to buy? A ver, ¿con cuál comprarías? ¿Cuál elegirías? A ver, ¿qué tenemos acá? Buying food from organic or sustainable, que esta palabra está re de moda, farms is an eco-friendly choice. These kinds of farms only use plant food and bag sprays that the earth can absorb. The ladybug beetle, miren esta la que le decimos mariquita o ladybug, ¿no? Ladybird también la llamamos en inglés. La vaquita de San Antonio in Spanish. It eats insects that damage crops. So organic farmers do not need to use poisonous bug sprays. O sea, como estas ladybugs comen esos insects que dañan a los cultivos, no tendrían que usar, ¿no? Esa sería la idea, que no usen estos sprays, aerosoles. Even your red, blue, and orange fruits and vegetables can be green. What do you eat from here? Which ones do you recognize? Raspberries, orange, lemon. Yes, this is lemon peel. Kiwi. Oh, I love all of these. Blueberries, onion. Carbon footprints. Esto es lo que muchos no se dan cuenta. Have you checked the size of your carbon footprint lately? Últimamente. Don't look down at your feet. A carbon footprint measures the harmful greenhouse gases a person, a building, or a business makes. A eso se refiere con carbon footprint. Veamos acá el ciclo. The sun rays warm the earth. Some heat escapes. Greenhouse gases trap some heat. Greenhouse gases make our earth too warm by forming a blanket that keeps heat from escaping. Entonces, como los greenhouse los gases, ¿no? Claro, esto sería lo que es el efecto invernadero, el greenhouse effect. Calientan todo esto, no permiten que estos gases se escapen. All right? Y ahí es donde se produce el calentamiento global, se van evaporando cosas y se van, digamos, ¿lo vieron los melting of the ice? Que se derriten los hielos y todo. The fuel in our cars makes a greenhouse gas. The cows and pigs we farm for meat make greenhouse gases in their waste. En todo lo que gastan. The cows and pigs, pobre cows and pigs. No le echamos la culpa a ellos. Your carbon footprint is larger if you drive to school rather than walk. Entonces, ¿qué prefieres? ¿Ir caminando en bicicleta o en a car? Your carbon footprint is larger if you eat a lot of meat rather than a little. Bueno, pero la comida es la comida, ¿ok? What's your carbon footprint? Cheeseburger 6.5 pounds, 3 kilograms, the carbon footprint. Driving a car 4.8 kilometers to school, 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms. 75-watt light bulb, 1.2 pounds, 0.5 kilograms. O sea, de todo esto lo que más gasta, lo que más carbon footprint provoca es a cheeseburger, my favorite. You can live green. A ver, veamos las options. What kinds of green choices can you make? Recycling, walking, eating more fruits and vegetables. Make eco-friendly choices and watch your carbon footprint shrink. Ver cómo se achica. Recycling 7 million tons, 6 million metric tons of metal is like taking 4.5 million cars off the road for a year. Sacar, pero ¿quién va a sacar todo eso de autos? Ojalá, ¿no? Be proud of yourself for living green. Yes, we do. We're improving. Yo creo que estamos mejorando esto. We are improving. Try this. Y acá les dan unas ideas and tips. For 3 days, write down all the things you and your family do that add to your carbon footprint, such as, tales como, tienen day 1, day 2, day 3, estas son las activities. Number of miles you drive, numbers of minutes in the shower, number of times you throw something away instead of recycling, number of times you eat meat, number of pages you print on a printer, number of loads of laundry. ¿Cuántas veces lavas tanto en el lavarropas, no? In the laundry. In the washing machine. When the 3 days are done, look at your list and talk with your family about how to make these numbers smaller and shrink your carbon footprint. All right, and here's the glossary. Absorb, to soak up. Carbon footprint, the amount of greenhouse gases someone or something puts into the environment. Eco-friendly, not harmful to the earth environment. Environment, all the natural parts of the earth like water, air, plants. Greenhouse gases, gases such as carbon dioxide and methane that hold heat next to the earth. Here we have this gas, methane. Repeat again. Methane, a colorless, odorless, flammable gas that consists of carbon and hydrogen and is produced by decay of organic matter. Landfill, a place where trash is buried. Acá tiran todo, llenan, ¿no? Con un montón de trash. Organic, a farming method that follows rules about using natural fertilizers and insect control. Sustainable, something that can go on for a long time without harming the earth. This is the most important word nowadays. something that can go on for a long time without harming the earth, que no dañe la tierra. And I guess, ¡ay, there is a quiz game! No me había dado cuenta. Chan, 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 chan. Living green means wearing only green clothes, talking about living green, or being gentle on the earth. Yes, being gentle on the earth. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Next, what happens when we use less? We save money? Yes, but it's not the answer. We take fewer resources from the earth. This could be. We harm the earth al contrario, cuando usamos menos. We are not living green. No, we take fewer resources from the earth. Good, good, good. How many to go? Why are green choices eco friendly? They are the color green. They do not harm the earth environment. They use more electricity. Obviously, they do not harm the earth environment. Come on, submit. And why is foam packing material bad for the environment? Cardboard is used to make it. It is made of plastic. It can absorb dirt. It does not break down in landfills. This one. No se rompa, right? No se deshace. Have to be careful. Good, good, good. What pollutant is making our earth too warm? Carbon footprints, greenhouse gases, smoke, heat, greenhouse gases. Good. We're learning a lot. What are greenhouse gases? The amount of gases someone puts into the environment. Gases such as carbon dioxide that hold heat next to the earth, not harmful to the earth environment, the natural parts of the earth like water. This could be gases such as carbon dioxide that hold next to the earth. Very good. And on what page do you read about eco-friendly choices? I have no idea. This is not a good question. Shall we say 18? No, no idea. No, 8. All right. I don't like this type of because you have to remember the page. Oh, on what page can you find an activity to see how much you add to, vamos a decir 10 ahora? No, 14, 22. No, qué sé yo. You cannot do that to us. We are very good learners. We don't remember the number of the pages. Finish the book, people. Well, see you next time. Yes, we have a lot to learn. Bye bye.